Dear students, in the last section we have started the topic that is requirement elicitations, and we have seen what is requirement elicitations and the details of requirement elicitations. Today we will see the different requirement elicitations techniques. So first technique is interview. So after receiving the problem statement from the customer, the first step is to arrange a meeting with the customer. During this meeting, or we can call it as an interview, both the parties would like to understand each other. Normally, specialized developers, that is called as a requirement engineers, interact with the customer. And the objective of conducting this interview is to understand the customer expectation from the software. So both the both parties means the developer party as well as the customer party, both the parties have different feelings, goals, opinions, vocabularies, understanding, but one thing is common, that both want the project to be success. So with this in mind, requirement engineers normally arrange the interviews, and the requirement engineer should be open minded and should not approach the interview with preconceived notions. Okay, so interview may be open ended or structured. So what is open ended and what is structured? Open ended means in open ended interview there is no preset agenda. There is no preset agenda, and free questions may be asked to understand the problem and to have an overview of the situations. In open ended, there is no agenda, no formalities in the open ended interview. Here the simple questions are asked to the customer. So for example, if the for result management system, the open ended interview may ask the questions like who is the controller of the examination, who will use this software, and who will explain the manual system, like this. And the second type of interview is the structured interview. Structured interview means here the agenda of fairly open question is prepared, means sometimes a proper questionnaire is designed for the interview, and interview may be start with the simple question so that the customer will is at starting, and when the atmosphere is comfortable and calm, then the specific questions may be asked to understand the requirements of the customer. So how we select the customer or how we select the stakeholder? It is not possible to take the interview of all the stakeholders, you know. So it is necessary to select the representative from the groups. Okay, so that groups may be entry level personnel. So entry level personnel means these persons may not have a sufficient domain knowledge and experience, but may be very useful for fresh ideas. That entry level personnel is having a fresh ideas. Then middle level stakeholders, they have better domain knowledge and experience of the project. They know the sensitive, complex and critical areas of the project because they have the experience on the project. Okay, then the next are managers. So managers or higher level management officers like vice presidents, general manager, managing director should also be interviewed, and they give their valuable feedbacks or valuable suggestions for the requirement elicitation. And last but not the least is users of the software, and these users are the most important stakeholder because they spend more time with interacting with the software. Okay, so these are the types of stakeholder: entry level, middle level, managers and users of the software. Okay, now what types of questions are there? For example, for the result management system, in the interview we may ask like any problem with the existing system, any calculation errors, possible reason for malfunctioning, number of student enrolled, or possible benefits by automating this system, then satisfied with the current policies, Okay, so there are a number of questions we may ask in the interviews, and at the end we may have wide variety of expectation from the proposed software. So this is the first requirement elicitation technique, that is interview. The next elicitation technique is brainstorming session, that we will discuss in the next section. Thank you.